Okay guys, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Our Aljon 580 car logger is leaving us. For those of you that don't know, a car logger is a baler, and it basically bales up loose tin, cars, stuff like that into cubes that go to the shredder to be recycled. But like I said, ours is leaving us, so the boys are getting it ready, and well, it's been a long ride. This baler was purchased new and manufactured in December of 2007. For those of you that missed our last video, this is at Midshore Recyclers, which is in Hurlock, Maryland. And you can follow us on Instagram, you can like us on Facebook, or you can follow us on my YouTube channel, which is actually Midshore Solutions. However, there will be a separate playlist for Midshore Recyclers videos. For those of you that have never seen a baler operate, stay tuned. But in the meantime, check out some footage of our old girl before she goes bye-bye. Leaving Midshore Recyclers with 11,147 hours, that is 464 continuous 24-hour-a-day days. 464. That doesn't sound like a lot, but when you think about it, 24 hours a day, whew, jeez.
Hey Liz. Hi. What are you doing? You videotaping something? Yeah. Can you tell us what it is?
It's a present.
Yeah. It's a surprise.
Yeah.
What is that pretty thing? Oh, look, there goes a new baler down Route 50. Anybody that really knows me knows I can't keep a secret. So here she is, our new baler. This is a brand new 2020 Aljon 580 car logger. It is so beautiful. Robert Shirley spec'd this thing out great. It's got an auto greaser, a remote control, and so much more. This thing is amazing. If you're local to Maryland, stop by and check it out. This thing is awesome to watch. Enjoy a quick walk around and, well, stay tuned because there's so much more. Let's see what Aaron has to say about the new baler.
Like it, Aaron?
Yeah, I don't run it, but yeah.
This baler came all the way from C&C Manufacturing in Iowa. Alan, with Aljon, is getting ready to give Robert a brief tutorial, and then we'll put her in her new home. With this machine weighing over 90,000 pounds alone, of course we need a semi to move it. So Pete's gonna go ahead and back up and get it hooked up and pull her on down.
All right.
Now that she's in her new spot, Robert needs to level this thing out so that she doesn't topple over. So in just a moment, you'll see him adjusting the, what I call outriggers. However, they don't go out. So I guess you could call it a downrigger. I don't know. Anyway, here he is adjusting them, getting her level. Now they'll have a short meeting to go over some things, and then maybe we can see this thing work.
Hey Liz, what are you standing on? Stuff?
You gotta sync your remote. Turn your key on. Sync your remote. Go to start on the remote. Yep. All right. Now hit your start button.
Okay guys, pay close attention to this tin that's going in this chamber. When it comes out, it won't look like that. And there's her first bale. How sweet. You guys got to see our new Aljon's first bale. It's pretty cool. Well, I guess all we got to do is stack these bales, and this pretty much concludes the video, guys. Hope you guys like the content, and as always, if you guys have any suggestions on future videos or anything that you would like to see, feel free to leave a comment. You can also like us on Facebook, you can follow us on Instagram, or you can subscribe to the channel. But don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Yep, there's Robert hitting that thumbs up button. He liked the video. And of course, just like this video, Midshore Solutions and Midshore Recyclers, our Aljon 580 was proudly built in the USA. Cheers! Bye, guys! P.S. These things are amazing. Thanks, Alan.